Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Mixsoon Bean Essence. Mixsoon Bean Essence is a skincare product that defies traditional categorization, standing out with its dual role as both an exfoliator and moisturizer. Unlike typical essences, it offers a unique blend of exfoliating and moisturizing properties, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. The essence contains a special type of bean, fermented bean extract, amino acids, which contributes to protecting damaged skin and strengthening the skin barrier. This unique ingredient, along with lactobacillus soybean ferment extract and fermented pomegranate, works to nourish the skin and improve skin texture. The product provides two usage options, as a moisturizer for immediate absorption or as an exfoliant by massaging it onto the skin and wiping it off. This dual functionality adds to its appeal for those in search of a gentle yet moisturizing exfoliant. It's crucial to highlight that the fermented ingredients in Mixsoon Bean Essence may pose a risk for individuals with a history of reactions to such components. Therefore, caution is advisable when incorporating this product into your routine. In my experience, Mixsoon Bean Essence has become a welcome addition to my skincare regimen. I believe it holds promise for individuals seeking a balanced approach to exfoliation and hydration. If you're looking for a skincare product that combines the benefits of exfoliation and moisturization, this essence could be worth a try.